Of vegetable choices, fresh vegetable trays and bags are truly a great choice for those who want to maintain a healthy lifestyle and quickly enjoy the natural flavors of vegetables, fresh. Looking at the beautiful, small, shiny yellow ginger roots gently floating on the surface of the transparent water gives you a feeling of peace and relaxation. The shiny brown skin of the ginger creates an attractive contrast with the transparent water, creating an attractive and appealing image. The scent of ginger spreads in the space, taking us into a world of delicate and fresh flavors. The clear water is where the ginger mixes together, creating a moist and cool environment, keeping the ginger always fresh and full of vitality. Looking at this scene, you not only feel the freshness and delicate flavor of, but also immerse yourself in the natural beauty and tranquility. Let's look at potato peelers, simple but extremely effective tools in the food preparation process. With sharp blades and sturdy designs, they are great assistants for any chef. When the tool is placed on a potato, the sharp blade will gently penetrate deep into the skin, peeling off the outer layer easily and quickly. These powerful and precise cuts not only remove the potato skin but also preserve the smooth flesh inside. Whether you are a professional or an amateur chef, everyone can use these tools easily and conveniently. They are a prerequisite for starting a delicious dish and ensure that your potatoes will be perfectly prepared. The large format paper trimmer helps cut precisely the paper sheets from large rolls, creating uniform book pages, while improving efficiency and quality in the production process. Carbon steel, the top choice for giant bow shackles. Its exceptional hardness and strength ensure optimal performance in lifting and moving heavy loads on ships. To obtain the bow shackles used in the suspension or control system of a ship, it is necessary to go through a complex process, which plays an important role in the maritime transport sector. The production of ballpoint pens with metal 3D printing technology based on a plasma arc heat source is gaining attention as a cost-effective alternative to the out of nowhere. When you promised yourself to quit smoking, but life has other plans. Now we know what Luffy Gatling's gun looks like. Joy and pride. Oh boy. You play a lot. Huh, right on the cross, man. Go, Nyo. Give it a lot of speed. While we all move in one direction, he goes against the flow. He doesn't miss a beat with those skilled hands. Art is created from simple tools. She effortlessly performs spins with just her feet for balance. The lightning-fast typing skills of this cashier would even stump hackers. There seems to be an invisible magic wall here. This astonishingly fast skiing speed deserves to break records. One of the tests for a street sweeper position. The sage on my team after I asked them 15 times for a heal. Becoming a professional racer is easy with just 2-hand carts. This guy glides smoothly with various moves on the water.